What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be feeding my birds again. So as you see that bird food. Yep. So yeah, let's get started. But first we have to check if they finished their food. So I'll go check. So as you see here, you see a little bit of seeds, but it's almost finishing. So we must do a little more. Just move these stupid things away. Yep. Okay, thank God I didn't spill it. Imagine this whole thing spilled it on the floor. I would make a big mess. I might get in trouble. But I know I'm not doing that. So pour it gently. Yeah. I guess one more scoop. Actually, I don't have to worry about too much overeating them, because once they get full, they stop. I mean, humans are like that too, but some animals, they don't stop even if you give them too much. So I guess it's like that. Oh. Alright, let's take it right there. See if they want it. See those millets? They kind of finished. I might need to put a new one. Yep. I don't know if you see the white one. He's right there. Also the yellow one. Alright. I put a millet here. So, yeah. Also, they have their water. So clean. So, yeah. See you later, guys.